Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers. I'm here on behalf of Enrique Rubio. Arizona Roofers is his chosen contractor for the job. I'm here conducting a repair test. I will be removing this shingle right here, obvious wind damage, and replacing it with this architectural. For me to remove this, I'll have to unfasten the nails on this shingle, on this one, and this one to be able to remove this and replace it with that one. All right, here we go. double layer, so the shingles under it are catching my shingle. All right. All right, so as I was nailing in the as I was nailing in the shingle, there's creasing right here. The shingle's a little old and brittle, but creasing right here, cracked right here. Just from me trying to get the nails in. Same thing with up here, cracked right down the middle. It's kind of hard to see the crease, but as you can see, it creases right here. It's just an old brittle shingle, so I gotta nail that one in. But I'd say, I mean, if you try to repair any other areas of this roof, you're gonna get the same type of outcome. The shingles are just gonna crack and break. So it will cause damage to everything around the area that you're trying to repair. So with this, I would say this is a failed repair test. Failed repair test. There's no way you can repair any shingles without damaging the shingles around it. All right, thank you for your time.